Yeah, hi. So today we'll be going to see how to install Eclipse IDE for Java development. So here we need to get to know two to three things first. That first of all, to run Java in Eclipse, we don't need to install JDK or JRE tools side by side. If we'll just install the Eclipse, it will be more than enough. So what I'll be going to do, I'll just first head on to my web browser. Thereafter I'll just search this one, that Eclipse download, and the first link that would be appearing on my screen would be the link that we need to head on. So after this I'll click on this link. Now scrolling down, I'll find one option that install your favorite desktop ID packages. Here you need to just click on this download option. So after clicking, I'll get one dialog box or a screen where it will be showing me the version that I am going to install. So the file name here is Eclipse installer JRE. Okay, so we need to download this one. So just click on download, and yeah, after few seconds it will start to download. Since I have already downloaded this one, so I'll cancel it out. You can see the file size, it is 129 MB or so I'll just cancel this one. So here it is the downloader, or sorry, the installer package. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this in order to start the installations. Yeah, minimize. So now yeah, so as the installer initiates, we'll get a couple lot of things here. First of all, it will give you some options like what is the purpose you are installing the Eclipse IDE. So first of all, there are multiple options. If you want to use it for C or C++, you can use it, or if you want to use it for web development, then you can use this one for PHP developers option. Ample lot of many options are there. You can check those all out by yourself, but in this case, since we are going to install for Java development, so we'll choose with the first option. So we'll go with this one. After clicking here, I'll just not interfere with any of the installation directories also. I'll just simply click on install and wait till the software gets installed. So as our installation is complete, we'll see one icon on the desktop, that is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just simply click here launch, and it will launch of this IDE. Okay, so now we need to select a directory which will be given as a workspace for our IDE. Basically the workspace is nothing but a directory where it will be storing all our preferences or the artifacts that we are going to use inside our development. So what I'll do, I'll just for instance copy this folder directory. Now it will start this IDE Eclipse. Basically what we'll be going to do on this IDE, basically IDE means what? IDE is nothing but a space where we'll be going to write our code, and it will give us the output of the required thing. Okay, so now what I'll do simply, so yeah, as you install the IDE and launch it for the first time, you'll get to see a option like this one. Now what you need to do is just click on the file, click new, here new. Now you need to go with this option, that is Java project. Okay, so now you need to name your project. So for example, I'll give this as a test project. Okay, now you need to see whether this is Java SE21 selected or not. So select that. JDK 21 should be there. After this, just click next. After clicking next, just click finish. Okay, now you need to click on new. First of all, this one new, then class. You need to create one class. What you'll do, you'll just select the source folder first of all, this one test project, what you just made now. Okay, that would be the source under this source. Okay, now you need to give some name to your package, like I can give com dot test. Okay, now type a name. I'll just write it as test code. Okay, now tick this option, public static void main should be there, like string argument should be there. So what it will give, it will give you a basic code structure of the Java. Okay, so here is one warning that the first letter of the name, Java class name, should be capital. So I'll just make it as test code T capital. Now I'll click on finish. What it will do, it will just open up a package that com.test for us, and the public class will be test code. Inside this we can write our code. So what I'll do, I'll just show you by writing hello world code. So what I'll do, I'll just tab, then I'll write system dot out dot print ln parenthesis and semicolon. Inside parenthesis there should be 2 inverted commas. So I'll write hello world. Okay, now file, save all. Okay, then here in the area where we can write the code, I'll just click right click, then there would be an option run as, then Java application. Yeah, so here is the output of what we have just written now. So by this we can set up the Eclipse and its workspace, and we got to see how we can run our first code, that is the hello world code. So that was all about this video. Thank you.